Hey guys, sorry I have no voice, so please enjoy the music and just look upon the screen for the directions. So here it is. I hope you guys try this recipe. Please add it to your playlist. And I served this with some udon vegetable stir-fry noodles. If you want to see the recipe for that, please let me know. So I'm going to slice into this ribeye. And I did let it rest. Just so you can see that it is. I cooked it to about medium well. This medium well is really nice. So delicious. So tender, it just melts in your mouth. Please guys, try this recipe. It's so worth it. The flavor is worth it. Especially when you cook it on the cast iron griddle. It tastes like it was cooked outdoors. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. And please come back on Thursday for a new video at midnight Eastern Standard Time. Thank you everyone who purchased items from my Amazon wish list. I have some exciting new recipes coming for you guys, such as cottage pie, lemon pepper wings, and so on. So I'm going down the list of requests that I've been getting. Just please bear with me. Please remember to live and be well. Let's do what we can to come together to love one another.